I can't speak for a lot of the LVAD patients, but I am going to. Guys, without this, I'm not the same James boy. So I want to thank Prisma Health. I want to thank all of the immaculate people that helped me to get here. Now we're going to get to Dr. Martin. If everybody knows Dr. Martin from what I've seen, he walks around in the room and he's like this. I was watching him while I was laying there, and this is how he touches you. You okay? How you doing it? I'm like, well, shoot, you ain't like these other doctors. They coming in telling me I see it in your eyes. They're not looking well. But as the surgeon, what he does not know is, and for the LVAD people, back again, I was not going to have this operation. He came in and spoke to us that day when you sit down with your patients and tell them about the percentage, and you said it's 93%. See, I was paying attention and just said, so you still got all of this, and everything was so nice. I said, wow, okay. So after you left, I prayed. Said a prayer to God to send me a ram in the bush that I wouldn't have to have this surgery. Not knowing that the Father had already prepared a ram in the bush for me. Didn't know that. I told my wife, I said, my wife is named Sheila. Thank you, Jesus. I said, we need to talk. But she would not talk to me. She was answering all the questions to Dr. Martin for me. And I'm looking at her, I'm like, well, how's she gonna answer for me? She don't know what I got in mind. I'm not having this surgery. 2 months prior, before the shock, defibrillator, one of my college team football teammates, he said, Bump, I need a favor from you. And I said, okay, brother, you know, if I can do it, I will. He said, listen to your wife. I said, okay, that's a strange favor, but okay. Not knowing that the Father had all of this planned for me. And when you left, I wasn't doing it. She wouldn't speak to me to let her know that I wasn't going to do it. But had I spoken to her and convinced her to let me go, do all of the stuff that we need at the house with the kids, all I wanted is for them to get me back to the house so I can see them grandbabies and kids. So guess what? The ram in the bush was already there, but I didn't know. By her not speaking to me, allow me to listen to your spirit. And there's a new name that I want to give to you that everybody needs to start giving to them in the LVAD. I don't know if we just cut off right here or over here or whatever it is. This should be his new name. It's not Dr. Martin anymore. It's not Superman. It's Dr. Super Martin. So y'all give him a hand. It is Dr. Super Martin. I just want to say thank you.